Hi guys, so this is a really short video today. We're here for Thanksgiving and we're in a new space. This is next to my paint booth that I'm still sort of making, and today I'm going to show you this. I made it for my grandfather. He loves turkeys, and I'm just going to show you the Thingiverse page that I found it on. We're going to print it off and that's all it is. So it's a little decoration for Thanksgiving. My grandfather loves turkeys, so let's get to it. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a like. Leave a comment below on what I should do. Be sure to check out one of my other videos, maybe something over here or over here. And let's get a close-up look of it. Alright.